Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Shubhas here. So in this video, we will learn how to perform and interpret the Mann-Whitney U test in R. The Mann-Whitney U test, also known as the Wilcoxon Rank-Sum Test, is a non-parametric alternative to the independent samples t-test. So it is used to compare two independent groups when the dependent variable is ordinal or continuous, but doesn't satisfy the assumptions of the independent sample t-test as normality of the data. For example, we may compare satisfaction score between male and female participants or performance scores between a treatment group and a control group. So we will test the null and alternative hypothesis in this case. So it also requires the assumptions before performing the testing. So the test doesn't require normative data distributed. It ranks the observations and examines whether one group generally has higher or lower values than the other. So in this video, I will demonstrate how to import a dataset in R, calculate descriptive statistics and group medians, perform the Mann-Whitney U test, interpret the U statistic and p-value, calculate effect size and save the complete findings. So please like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications for upcoming data analysis videos on R. So first of all, we import our dataset in R. So I just give dataset to ChatGPT. We have 20 respondents and we are going to compare the method satisfaction score between method A and B. So method is a categorical variable with two categories A and B, and satisfaction score is a continuous variable. So we will measure and see the difference of satisfaction score between method A and B. Okay, so we first import dataset in R. We copy this prompt and then paste here and then press enter. So you will see a dialog box open in front of you. So you will select your data and then click on open. So our data has been opened in R. You can see our data here. Okay, so before performing the descriptive statistics, we need to consult our PowerPoint presentations to discuss the threshold value, criteria and the assumptions. So we are going to do Mann-Whitney U test in R. So we are comparing two independent groups using ranks rather than raw score means. So Wilcoxon rank test, we will also see assumptions, effect size and interpretation. So the Mann-Whitney test compares two independent groups. In such context, two students start with method A and method B differ in their satisfaction rating or not. So we will check the difference. So our research question will be like, do satisfaction ratings or score differ between method A and B? So we'll see the p-value should be less than 0.05. In this case, we will reject H0 and accept alternative hypothesis. So we have dataset of 20 respondents. We will also see the assumptions before testing the Mann-Whitney U test in R. So two independent groups should be outcome is ordinal or continuous. Independent observations, scores can be ranked. Similar distribution shapes if interpreting as a median location comparison. So we will also see the important cautions here. So we will see the threshold values before interpreting the data, like p-value in case of insufficient evidence that group distributions differ. So p-value equal or greater than 0.05. However, in case of evidence that group distributions differ is present or not, we will see the p-value should be less than 0.05. In case of effect size, the 0.10 indicates small effect, 0.30 indicate medium, and 0.50 or larger indicate large effect size. So now we will come back to our data R window, and then we will put the descriptive statistic prompt. We copy and paste in R console. Then press enter. So we have a descriptive statistic. You can see the satisfaction score in method A is mean is 4.1. However, by using method B, the mean value is 2.6, so which is significantly decreased from method A, which is 4.1. So you can also see median, there is a significant difference, standard deviation, minimum and maximum. Okay, so next we perform the Mann-Whitney U test plus ranks plus effect size in R. Copy and paste the prompt here, then press enter. So you will find all the results here. So we just use the Wilcoxon Rank-Sum Test with continuity correction. The W value is 91.5 and the P value is less than 0.05. So you can see the P value less than 0.05. And the alternative hypothesis, true location shift is not equal to 0. So it means the difference is not equal to 0. It means there is a significant difference. As well, the lower boundary of confidence interval is 0.99 and the upper boundary is 2 point something. So it means 0 doesn't come between lower and upper boundary of confidence interval. So it means there is a significant difference. Also, you can see the sample estimated difference in location is 1.99 and mean ranks according to Mann-Whitney U test 36.5. And also you can see the mean ranks by using method A there is 14.65, by using method B there is a 6.3. so there is a significant difference between both mean ranks. As well, you can see the effect size is 0.7, which is greater than 0.5. so it means there is a large change from method A to method B. Okay, so in the last we just save all the results in one Excel file, copy this prompt and then paste here and press enter. So R successfully created the Excel file with all its results. So you can find the same file in the same data file where we are working. So you can see all results here. So in this way we perform the Mann-Whitney U test in R.